Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will discuss about how to fix unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until then because I have a solution about this problem. So guys, before starting the video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. First of all, open setting application appears on screen. Here guys, scroll down and find out focus. You can see appears on screen. Tap on it and tap on do not disturb first one, and now simply scroll down from here and you can see schedule and tap on it, and you need to delete schedule from here guys. Tap on delete schedule. Guys, if you have many schedules, so all delete schedule for turned off. Do not disturb. You can see my scheduled delete from here. If you have many, so all delete schedule from here. Now go back from here and simply scroll down from here, control center, and tap on half moon option, and simply turn off from here. You can see appears on screen here. I hope your do not disturb turn off by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.